Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Angelo on Wheels, and over here I have a 2022 Mustang EcoBoost Premium. This one is in the dark matter gray metallic. It's got a black interior, and it has a package called the black accent package, where you get the wheels and you get a couple other black accents to it. Let's do a quick walk around. This thing's sharp, and then we'll do the POV drive. Very sharp looking car. The wheels definitely make it stand out. These are gonna be These are gonna be 19-inch wheels, so 255, 40, and a 19-inch rim size. Very nice lines. This is definitely a great daily driver. It's got about 310 horses, about 350 pounds-feet of torque. There's sequential lamps. You get generous cargo room here. I mean, it's a lot. It's a lot of space here. Space saver. The mobility pump. So the wheels definitely make a difference in this car. The paint has a very nice sparkle to it. This being the premium, it got the whole safety package, so you get blind spots, forward collision alert, automatic braking, lane keep assist. It has it all. Alrighty guys, so this thing is pre-owned and it's currently available for sale here at Apple Ford. I'll put the links in the description. This one in particular is priced under 30 grand. And you know, the power and the finishes that you get for a car that's under 30 grand is excellent. So, you know, very nice soft finishes. You know, you may complain about this, but you'll never touch that. You know, you got metal finishes there, power seats, manual recline. The back seats, you could sit a person there, but as you already know, they're not going to be very comfortable. Alrighty guys, so sitting in here inside of the Mustang, the odometer on this one is 43,900 miles, so definitely a great car at that current odometer. It's definitely aged very well. So this one has Sync 3, so you got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, your dual climate zones is gonna be right there. You have climate access right there as well, Bluetooth. But honestly, once you connect your phone for the CarPlay or the Android Auto, most of these features you probably won't use very often. And another great thing about the Premium is that on the Premium, you're gonna not only get the heated seats, but you're gonna get the ventilated seats for the passenger and the driver. So you can't beat that. Look, that's great, especially right now. It's like 90 plus degrees outside. So a couple of switches here. So this one is for your steering wheel adjustment. We're gonna put it in normal. And then there's a couple driving modes, so we'll flip that switch. Normal, Sport Plus, track, drag, snow and wet. Let's drive it in sport mode here. And excellent finishes here. You know, the seats are very comfortable. You got lumbar support. Other than that, manual back. You know, there's not much to complain about. Let's take this thing for a drive, guys. So let's take this thing for a POV drive. I have it set in sport mode. 310 horses, 350 pounds-feet of torque. All right, let's go. All right. It's got a nice sound to it. Doesn't sound like the V8. Nothing's gonna sound like the V8. However, 310 horses, 350 torque on a little coupe like this makes your drive to work, makes your daily drive just a little bit more exciting. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That'll move the soul a little bit, you know. Might make your skin crawl a little bit. We're not gonna do nothing crazy here. Let's go. And the view here, so it's a very nice view because of the length of the hood. You know, it's a really commanding position, the view. Makes the driving position feel very in charge. I got a Mach 1 coming up as well. I have a Mach 1 coming up. It'll be coming up shortly. All right, we're gonna open her up here a little bit, just a little bit. See what this Mustang EcoBoost can do. All right, let's go, let's go. All right. Definitely plenty of power there. You know, it's not going to be like the 5.0, but definitely enough power there to move the soul a little bit. You know, make your daily drive a little bit less dull. But let's take this thing back. Definitely a great daily driver right here. This vehicle is currently available for sale at Apple 4 link, and I'm gonna put the links in the description. Let's take this thing back. Let me know what you guys think. You know, if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to see something in particular in these cars that I'm driving, just let me know. Leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'll see you guys in a bit. We are back. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far and you like the content, just hit the like button right there. If you want to see more content, I have more stuff coming up. Hit the subscribe button. Let me know what your thoughts are. This is Angelo at Angelo on Wheels. Peace.